Raw juice is absolutely delicious and very healthy. So this company TKTK sent me this slow juicer to compare and share. So one of the first things that I noticed about it is that it is very, very simple to juice. It seems to just pull it right through. I'm not even having to tamp it with the tamper very much. You can see that I'm kind of not even pushing it down. Some of the other juices I've used, you have to actually push it down. It comes out of the two sides, so you can see the juice comes out of one end and the pulp comes out of the other end. Now the pulp, the other thing I noticed is it is a lot less juicy. So some of the other juicers I've used, the pulp comes out juicy. I'm finding this pulp to be fairly dry, which is good because that means you're getting all of the nutrition from the juice that's all coming out in that the juice area. So that's kind of nice. I was a little concerned about cleaning this thing. It pops right out. It's real easy. The whole top part that I'm using right now, that whole thing comes off of the main juicer. And then that middle part, it all pulls apart. And it's very easy to wash with soap and water. So at first I was a little concerned about that, but it wasn't too bad. The apples, I did have to push a little bit. This recipe is carrots, apples, ginger, a beetroot, and a bit of cabbage. That's my favorite combo in juice, and it is absolutely delicious. I love to pour the nice juice over some ice. It really makes it taste really, really good when you get it very, very cold. So isn't that gorgeous? Yum! Look at all that nutrition. That looks so delicious. And it absolutely is. My grandson is like, are you actually going to drink that? He is anti-veggie, but man, it was so delicious. And I'm going to show you the pulp up close. What I like to do with that is I like to put it in soups or salsas. So you can use that part.